Hey there, let's make eggless chocolate lava cake. Trust me, give it a try and you will love this. So let's get started. Grab a bowl and good quality chopped dark chocolate. Then add butter and pop it in the microwave until it melts. Next, add some vanilla extract and milk. Make sure the milk is at room temperature. Whisk everything together until it forms a smooth batter and keep it aside. Now let's prepare the dry ingredients. In a separate bowl, add flour, powdered sugar, cocoa powder, cornstarch and baking powder. Mix everything well to make sure it's all combined. Add wet ingredients to the dry and mix gently to form a smooth batter. Once it's done, cover it and let it rest for 10 minutes. This will ensure that you get perfect soft and gooey chocolate lava cake. Next, take some melted butter, cocoa powder and mix them together. We will use this to grease the ramekin. Transfer the batter equally to the ramekins. I used 4-inch ramekins and this recipe gives you 4 chocolate lava cakes. Insert a piece of chocolate in the center and cover it with the batter. Bake everything in a preheated oven. Once it's baked, let it rest for 5 minutes and then demold. Serve it with some ice cream and a fairy dust of cocoa powder. And enjoy!